subscribe to this channel, because every week we go inside the psychology that shapes your confidence, your decisions, and your direction. You are not tired because of how much you are doing. You are tired because of what your body has been doing to you, without your permission, without your knowledge, and without stopping. There is a hormone running through your body right now. When it runs too high for too long, it does one thing that should stop you cold. It physically shrinks your brain. You called it being someone who worries, being bad at relaxing, just the way I am. It is not who you are, it is what cortisol is doing to you. And it can be reversed. 3 biological tools, not supplements, not therapy, that lower your cortisol within hours. I will give you all 3. But the third one I need you to stay for. First, you need to understand exactly what has been happening inside your body. Because once you see it clearly, you will never ignore this signal again. Tired all day but cannot sleep at night. Snapping at people you love over nothing. Brain fog in the mornings. The belly fat that will not move no matter what you eat. None of these feel connected. They are. Your body was designed for short, explosive bursts of cortisol. Threat appears, cortisol spikes, you respond, it clears, baseline returns. That system is brilliant. It kept your ancestors alive. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a physical threat and an angry email. The cortisol spike is identical. The difference, the predator eventually leaves, so the quail does not. It layers. Sustained high cortisol reduces hippocampal volume, the part responsible for memory, learning, emotional control. And then comes the trap. Stress makes it harder to think clearly out how to reduce stress. The cycle locks in. The fastest biological reset your body has is not a meditation app. It is not a glass of wine. It is 2 inhales and 1 exhale. And you have already done it involuntarily, after crying hard, after something suddenly overwhelmed you. Under stress, tiny air sacs in your lungs collapse. CO2 builds in your blood. Elevated is powerful, but anxiety triggers that because your body is not broken. All it is respond to a real chemical change. Stanford researchers tested dozens of breathing techniques. The Physiological Sigh produced the fastest measurable drop in arousal of anything they tested. Faster than meditation, faster than box breathing, faster than anything. Inhale deeply through your nose. Before you exhale, 1 short, sharp sniff on top. Then release everything slowly through your mouth. Twice in a row, 60 seconds. That is it. There is a reflex inside you that is older than language, old than civilization, carried in every mammal on Earth for hundreds of millions of years, and it is triggered by something already in your bathroom. Cold water on the skin around your eyes and nose. Your body interprets it as submersion, heart rate drops, vagus nerve fires, parasympathetic system activates, cortisol falls, automatic, instant, no training required. Cortisol peaks 30 to 45 minutes after waking. Chronic stress, that peak already too high. Splashing cold water first thing lowers the floor that stress builds from every single day. Watch a dog after something scares it. It shakes its whole body. And then without any effort, without any process, it wags its tail and walks away and they happen. That is not coincidence. That is biology completing itself. Humans receive the same hormonal flood. And then we sit at a desk. We suppress it. We hold it together. And we believe the stressors we calmed them down. But the cortisol is still there. Unfinished stress cycles are stored in your muscles, your connective tissue, your nervous system. Week after week, month after month, until ordinary life feels unbearable and you have no idea why. Feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Let your legs begin to tremble. Let it travel up through hips, shoulders. Shake your hands loose, 2 to 3 minutes. You are giving your nervous system permission to finish what stress started. A double inhale clears your blood chemistry in 60 seconds. Cold water on your face triggers a reflex 400 million years old. 2 minutes of shaking lets your nervous system finish what stress started. Imagine waking up tomorrow and your body's not already bracing for impact. Lying down at night and your mind goes quiet, not because you forced it, but because your cortisol is genuinely lower. That is a regulated nervous system. It is available to you. Your nervous system is not broken. It has just been waiting for you to give it the right signal.